Techno-Control Cybernetic, your resistance welding partner. Techno-Control Cybernetic was founded in 1995 by Mr. J.P. Durden, president of the company. The company's mission is to design and manufacture state-of-the-art, reliable, and easy-to-use controllers and equipment for the resistance welding industry. Most of our customers come from the sheet metal and steel wire industry. Techno-Control Cybernetic offers its products and services throughout Canada, North America, and all over the world. The brain of a resistance welder is its welding controller, which is a computer that manages precisely each welding carried out by the machine. Techno-Control Cybernetic has built its expertise and reputation by specializing in the design and the manufacturing of reliable, powerful, and easy-to-use controllers. We offer a variety of controllers that can be adapted to your production needs and to your budget. Our controllers are manufactured with the highest standards of quality on the market and are approved CSA, CSA US. Our controllers can be installed on any type of resistance welding machine. Techno-Control Cybernetic offers new, remanufactured, or custom-built resistance welders designed especially to fit your needs. Techno-Control Cybernetic offers a design service that can create a custom-built resistance welding machine for your application. Our experienced and qualified team can design and manufacture automated or semi-automated equipment tailored to your needs. One of the fastest and most economical ways to improve your productivity is to upgrade your current machines by the addition of one of our resistance welding controllers. We will be glad to help you in the choice and the setup of a controller. So whatever your needs, Techno-Control Cybernetic provides an unequaled expertise to help you attain increased productivity and profitability. Since its inception, the company has actively invested a great deal in research and development to offer quality state-of-the-art products to its customers. Techno-Control Cybernetic has an important partnership network and is part of the Resistance Welding Manufacturing Alliance, the RWMA, which enables you to find all the resistance welding parts, consumables, and the support you need. Our experience and knowledge of resistance welding are at your service to solve any type of problem or to find solutions to increase the performance of your equipment. Our technicians are specialized in various fields in order to cover all the aspects of the process, such as control and automation, electronics, mechanics, pneumatics, or hydraulics. In response to the needs expressed by the industry in terms of training and the desire of companies to offer high-quality products, Techno-Control Cybernetic offers a course in resistance welding. This course covers the principles and the techniques related to this specialized process. To summarize, Techno-Control Cybernetic offers the complete range of products and services for the resistance welding industry, which makes us your best asset. Techno-Control Cybernetic, your resistance welding partner.